There are so many cool mountains and trails in Tirol, so this time we went to explore something new. It's actually one of my favorite mountains visually. It's called Serles and it's situated between the Wiptal Valley and the Stubaital Valley. The mountain is often called the Hochaltar of Tirol because of its pyramid-like shape and prominence in the landscape south of Innsbruck. What you see immediately after coming up to the summit station is that there is a wide range of leisure activities. There are numerous hiking trails around the Serles, a water play area, a Serles train, and even a toboggan run. By the way, a both-way ticket costs €25 in the summer. We chose the King Serli Nature Experience Trail to start with. It's a discovery path designed for kids and families. The trail has 8 stations and each one offers something to explore in a playful way. Along the way, you can learn to recognize animal tracks, listen to the sounds of the forest, match trees with their leaves and needles, and even try walking barefoot over natural ground. There are also challenges like balancing on tree trunks, testing how far you can jump compared to animals, and spotting mountains through special viewing tubes. The Serles mountain owes its name to King Serles, who is the center of an old Stubai legend. But it's not just the old stories that make hiking around the Serles so exciting. The varied hiking network in the Stubaital offers hike between 15 minutes to 3.5 hours, starting at the Kopenek summit station. At the start, you can pick up a discovery pass from the ticket office. At every station, there is a punch tool to mark the progress. Once the pass is complete, you can collect King Serli Discovery Box as a reward. The trail ends at some point and it's not a round trail, so you can either turn back or continue walking and choose another one. We followed the Maria Waldrast Trail. The path is about an hour long, mostly flat and even suitable for prams. Maria Waldrast has a long history and it's Europe's highest monastery actually. A spring near the monastery is still flowing today, and many people believe its water has healing properties. Visitors can drink it directly from the fountain in front of the church. Along the way or at your destination, there are plenty of spots to stop for food and drinks, including the Kopanek Mountain Inn, the Ochsenhütte, and the monastery inn itself. The forested trails around Serles are home to marmots and a variety of birds of prey. Every morning, hikers often get lucky with wildlife sightings. Another fun fact, Serles itself was first climbed in 1548, which makes it one of the earliest documented ascents in the Alps. It's almost 500 years of mountaineering history. And if you're too tired to go back on foot, you can board the train. It goes from the mountain station Kopanek to Maria Waldrast and back. The ticket costs €9 one way and €12 both ways for adults. The train runs several times a day in all weather conditions and offers great views during the ride. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next hike. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.